Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to show off a super easy but super cool floating bed frame that I built for my daughter over the weekend. Then I'm going to touch base on my early spring plantings. I hope today is the day that you'll consider subscribing to my channel and ping that notification bell so you know when I post new content. At the very least, I hope you'll give this video a like and a share. With that being said, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be building my daughter a brand new bed frame. It's a really cool looking frame once it's done, but it is pretty basic actually as far as the mechanics of it. I'm going to open up this garage door and get my tools outside and try to take advantage of this beautiful day. As with any project, I'm starting out by pulling all the staples from the 2x6s, measuring and cutting the side boards for the platform and the boards for the riser. I found the plan for this bed on another YouTube channel that I'll link below. My daughter didn't like the lip that was added to the model bed, so I modified this one by cutting the center runner down an inch. Then cut out a 1-inch rabbet on the two side boards so that the slats can sit down on them and you won't be able to see them from the side profile. This plan, we're just doing simple butt joints, so after I got my cuts made for the riser and platform sides, I measured in about an inch on each end, made my marks, and pre-drilled. For this project, I'm using 3-inch construction screws. I also pre-drilled for the slats, which will take 1.25-inch screws. Then after all my pilot holes are drilled, it's time for assembly. For the spacing between the slats, I just calculated the spacing between each slat to give me even weight distribution. Then I cut a couple of spacers from scrap wood so that everything was uniform. I did the same thing on my bookshelf. You can check that video out here. After I got the platform together, I slapped the riser together and marked the center on what'll be the head. This way I can line it up with the middle runner on the platform, and I know the platform is centered on the riser. With that done, I get the platform up on the riser and use a piece of 2x6 in each corner to secure the two together. And then we have a solid frame. The next day I separated the platform and the riser and got them up on sawhorses outside. I sanded everything starting with an 80 grit sandpaper and worked my way up to 220. I didn't film that part because, well, who wants to watch this fat guy sand stuff? Once the sanding was done, I used my high-powered leaf blower to get all the fine stuff off the wood and get it ready to paint. For the base coat, I used the same scuff-resistant paint that I used on the bookshelf a few weeks back. This time though, I used my HomeRite Finish Max sprayer that I did a review on a while back. If you want to check that video out, I'll link it in the upper right-hand corner here. Suffice it to say, it made this job much easier than if I had rolled or brushed it. After that, I used some Rust-Oleum glitter paint and followed that with a sealer because, well, that's what my girl wanted. After letting everything dry for a couple hours, we hauled everything upstairs and I went to work attaching the LED strip lights around the top edge of the riser. This was my first time working with this stuff, and let me tell you, it's really simple and super cool. Just stick it to whatever you want to stick it to, cut it where you want it to stop, plug it in, and you're good to go. I'll put an affiliate link down in the show notes for the LED strip lights if you'd like to check it out. Like I said, it is an affiliate link, so just know that if you buy anything through that link, I would get a very small commission at no additional cost to you. Once the lights were added, we reset the platform, secured it to the riser, added the hardboard sheet over the slats, then the mattress, and boom! My daughter now has a floating bed that's fit for a princess. And that princess says you should hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a like. So that's the meat and potatoes of this video. For those of you who are interested in what's been going on with the homestead, we've been crazy busy. The seedlings are coming in. I've started working on my fruit orchard and edible hedge that I discussed when I showed you what I have planned for this property. I've been working on a new chicken tractor for the meat birds that I'll show you in a future video. And we recently got a few chicks and ducklings in advance of our large order of birds. Why? Because that's what you do when you go to Tractor Supply and they have baby chicks, of course. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and ding that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new content. Until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we'll catch you on the next one.